Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Bing searches for Microsoft Points, guys. A lot of people are writing that there are a lot of extensions, and when they use these extensions, they are getting bans, guys, and they can't use the points anymore. So I'm going to give you the solution of the best method to automate this process. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button. So, okay, we are looking at the dashboard, and as you can see, I have got 456 points. And I can get some daily points with Bing searches. Let's go to the points breakdown, and as you can see, I need to perform some searches and I can get some daily points, and I'm only on level 1. When you reach level 2, you need to do much more searches, guys. So to automate this process, I will show you the best solution. You need to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, you can make a free account. It's not a problem. And when you log into ChatGPT, you need to write simple prompt inside the search. So just write give me 20 or any number, guys. It's up to you. Random Bing search phrases and click enter, and you will see that ChatGPT will give you some keywords, some phrases, and we can use these phrases. You just need to copy the phrase, go to Bing and paste in the search bar, click enter button. Then you need to copy the second one, go to the search bar and paste into the search. Okay, guys, and as you can see, this method is working. When you go to the Microsoft dashboard, you will see that we are getting some points. All right, so this method is working, guys. That's all I wanted to show you. You can use this method. It's totally safe. No one will ban you, and you can use your points, guys. So don't worry about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.